Hey everyone, I'll be testing my 49AO-WRF TrueAlert ES that just blanked. So connect the power real quick. The reason why you haven't been seeing my other TrueAlert devices, except for the 9227, the 80VRF, and one of my two 9228s, because my other ones are just being stubborn. Although they are compatible with this, they're just not wanting to cooperate. So, anyways. Oh, wow. Should have had hearing protection. Okay. I hope you enjoyed that. Because, like I said, some of my other TrueAlerts, including which all of these ones are just compatible with this, but some of them are just being stubborn. Which I got to figure out what's going on. So, anyways, thank you for watching.